What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out the limit using the L'Hopital's rule. First one is limit of sine 3x over sine 5x when x is approaching 0. That's going to be a limit of sine 0 over sine 0. It's going to be 0 over 0. Since it's 0 over 0, we need to use the L'Hopital's rule. L'Hopital's rule is saying that the limit will be equal to derivative of numerator divided by derivative of denominator. Derivative of sine 3x will be 3 times cosine 3x. Derivative of sine 5x is 5 times cosine 5x when x is going towards 0. That's going to be 3 times cosine 0 over 5 times cosine 0. That's 3 times 1 over 5 times 1, 3 over 5. That's going to be the final answer. Next one is limit of sine ax over sine bx when x is approaching 0. That's going to be, again, sine 0 over sine 0. 0 over 0. We need to use the L'Hopital's rule. Again, the derivative of numerator, which is a times cosine ax, divided by, that's the limit, b times cosine bx when x is approaching 0. That's going to be a times cosine 0 over b times cosine 0. That's going to be a over b, which is the final answer. That's how you use the L'Hopital's rule in order to evaluate the limits. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need extra practice question. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. You can have access to many other videos regarding L'Hopital's rule, differentiation, integration, and finding the limits and other topics in calculus. Also physics and chemistry. Thank you for watching and have a great day.